I'm revealing a practice secret most people don't know that will instantly boost your skills at the piano. I've used this formula countless times with my students to help them build musicianship skills in a matter of minutes. In this video, I'm going to share exactly what this secret is and show you how to get the same results at home. Welcome to video 8 of my 30-day piano practice challenge, during which I'm going to practice for 15 minutes every day to boost my progress at the piano in preparation of a concert that I'm performing in December. The secret I want to share with you today is that you can learn several musicianship skills from just one simple lead sheet. And if you're not sure what a lead sheet is, I have an example here, and you can see it's a single line of melody with some chords over top of the melody. And you're probably wondering, how am I going to learn several musicianship skills from such a simple lead sheet? And here's how. The first skill you can learn using a lead sheet is sight reading. Many people don't know what type of music to use for sight reading, and lead sheets are perfect. The melody itself is written out. You don't have to worry about the other hand. Oftentimes, lead sheets are familiar melodies as well, so this can really help if you're new to sight reading, because the melody will already be familiar to you. This is an easy and quick way to implement sight reading into your daily piano practice. The second musicianship skill you can learn from a lead sheet is chord reading. The chord symbols are written above the melody where there are harmonic changes. So for example, C in one measure or G in another measure. You can use your left hand to play single notes or turn them into triads or chords. Learning how to play chords is extremely helpful for playing pop music, playing by ear, and just overall harmonic understanding. The third skill that you can learn from a lead sheet is improv. And this is a skill that's so important when you're playing the piano, but also a skill that a lot of people fear. And using a lead sheet makes it so easy to start learning and experimenting with improvisation. Your left hand can change up the accompaniment style or patterns while playing the single notes or chords. And this is an easy way to get improv into your daily practice routine and practice this skill as a whole. The fourth musicianship skill that you can gain from lead sheets is transposition. Transposition means changing the key of the piece, and this is a really valuable skill. Transposing is a great way to learn key signatures and become very familiar with playing around in different keys and the chords that belong in different keys. For example, this lead sheet is in C major, and I suggest trying to transpose it into either G major with one sharp or F major with one flat. The fifth musicianship skill that you can learn with this lead sheet is musicality. And what I mean by that is working on the phrasing, working on the expression, maybe adding in dynamics, and really working on those aspects that make it musical and make the performance of the piece your own. I just gave you 5 musicianship skills that you can use to boost your progress at the piano using one simple lead sheet. So that's 5 musicianship skills in about 5 minutes of practice, which is pretty amazing. It is so important to learn all of these different types of musicianship skills in order to contribute to your overall growth as a musician and your success at the piano. I really want you to get the benefits of lead sheets into your daily practice. So I'm going to leave the link to this exact lead sheet in the description of this video. Let me know in the comments if you tried it and what you think of it and the new skills you've learned. I'm also curious to know if anyone has used lead sheets in their piano practice before, or if maybe you haven't before, but you would like to now after learning about all the benefits of using them. Let me show you how I'm going to implement a lead sheet into my practice today. Today is day 15 of my 30-day piano practice challenge, and my warm-up scale today is D major, so let me do that and then I will hop into my lead sheet. For my musicianship practice today, I'm going to use that same lead sheet, Water Sprite Song. It's written in C major, and I'm going to transpose it to G major and try to add a bit of a more interesting left-hand accompaniment pattern. Today for my repertoire, I will be making recordings of piano pieces that need to be reposted to YouTube, and that's going to count for my piano practice for today. I would love to have you join me on this challenge, and if you're an adult looking to build skills and make progress at the piano without spending hours practicing, be sure to check out the whole playlist. I'll list it right here.